So let's solve the story problem based question of exercise 6.1. So in 21st question, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 in the first unit 2 test. Okay, find the minimum marks he should receive, he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 mark. कम से कम 60 होने चाहिए है ना. So the marks obtained in first two unit test 70 and 75. Okay, so we will let marks obtained in third test is equals to x. Okay, so now we have all the marks of the 3 unit test. Now according to the question, it is given that their average. So how can we find the average? Sum of all numbers divided by number of numbers means the 3, which is at least 60. Okay, so it will be greater than or equals to 60. Okay, now by solving this, first of all we will divide the equation by 3 both sides. Okay, so dividing not dividing, multiplying by. Okay, so multiplying. So here we have 3 into 70 plus 75 plus x divided by 3 is greater than equals to 60 into 3. Okay, so at right side we have 180. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled out. This is 145 plus x. Okay, now we will subtracting 145 from both sides. So in left hand we have 145 plus x. Okay, and we have to subtract 145 also. It will be greater than or equals to 180 minus 45. So these two gets cancelled out. We have x is greater than equals to 35. Okay, so the marks in the third unit test will be either equals to 35 or greater than 35. Okay, so mark obtained in third test will be equals to or greater than 35. Now let's solve the next question, which is 22. In this question we have to find the average. Okay, the same as the previous question. So first 4 marks of test is given. We have to find the fifth one. Now a condition is given. If Sunita have to score the A grade, then he must achieve at least 90%. Okay, she must achieve at least 90%. So their average will greater than or equals to 90 है ना. इससे कम होगा तो she will not get the grade A. So let's solve this. So let the marks obtained by Sunita in first 4 tests are 87, 92, 94 and 95. Okay, so we will let the marks of Sunita in fifth test will be x. Okay, so according to question it is said that if she have to achieve the grade A, then the percent will must exceed the 90. ठीक है, इससे ज़्यादा हो या 90 भी होगा. So what we will do, how to find the average? Sum of numbers 94 plus 95 plus x divided by 5. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will multiplying both side by 5, multiplying by 5 both sides. Okay, so from here we have 87 means 5 into this the sum will be 368 into x divided by 5, not into, this is plus x. Okay, is greater than equals to 90 into 5. Now this 5 and 5 gets cancelled out. Now what we can do, we can subtract the 368 from both sides. So it will become 368 plus x minus 368. So we have to subtract it from this side also. 9 5s are 45, 450 minus 368. Okay, means from here we can say that x is greater than or equal 82. Okay, means in fifth test Sunita must have to score at least 82. ओके, एट लीस्ट 82 मतलब कम से कम 82. So in 23rd question we have to find all pairs of consecutive positive integers. Okay, so we will let the first integer be x. Okay, it will be x. तो we have to take the consecutive, मतलब अगर 1 है तो consecutive क्या होगा 3 है ना, means if it is x then this will be x plus 2. So then the consecutive positive odd integer, it will be x plus 2. Okay, so now we have the both integers, both are the consecutive positive odd integers, so of which are smaller than 10. So this x plus 2, it will be less than 10. Okay, which are smaller, yes, so they will be less than 10. Now if we subtract, and this x will also be less than 10, this is the condition. Okay, so from here we can say that x is less than 8 if we subtract 2 from both sides. तो 8 से भी छोटा होना चाहिए एंड 10 से भी होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो सेकेंड इंटीजर will be less than 8 and this will be, first integer will be less than 10. Also their sum means x plus 2, these are the two integers, so their sum will not exceed, their sum is more than 11. Okay, they will be more than 11, not equals to, just more than 11. Okay, so now the condition is given, so we have 2x plus 2 is greater than 11. From here we can say that 2x is greater than 9. We will subtract 2 from both sides. Now dividing both side by 2, so here we have x और यहाँ क्या हो गया 9 by 2, means we can say that x is greater than 4.5. ठीक है, greater than 4.5, so the odd integer after 4.5 will be the 5. This is the positive odd integer. ठीक है, after 4.5 because x is greater than, so the consecutive will be 7. ठीक है, hence the possible pairs will be, the possible pairs will be 5,7 और 9 हो नहीं सकता because it cannot exceed the 7, so or 7,5, either first will be the 5 or second will be the 5. Okay, so in the same way you have to solve the question number 24, in which we have to find the even positive integers. ओके, सो इवन जैसे यहाँ 4 आया था 4.5, इसके बाद जस्ट इवन कौन सा होगा 5 की जगह पर 6. ओके, सो दिस यू कैन सॉल्व बाय योर सेल्फ. नाउ लेट्स सॉल्व द 25th क्वेश्चन. द लॉन्गेस्ट साइड ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज 3 times द शॉर्टर साइड. चलो तो साथ साथ में कर रहे. वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. So in this he said that the longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. So we will let the shortest side is equals to x centimeter. Okay, then it is said that longest side will be 3x, है ना, it is 3 times the shorter side, and the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. So longest side is 3x and 2 centimeter is shorter than, so this is centimeter. Now their perimeter is, since their perimeter is at least 61, at least 61 means इससे कम नहीं होना है, कम से कम 61 है. Okay, so the perimeter, and we know that perimeter of a triangle is equals to sum of all sides. Okay, so here we can say that x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2 at least 61 means कम से कम 61. So this sum will be greater than 61 or equals to 61. Now accordingly we can solve x. So we have 6, 3, 3, 6 and 1 7x. minus 2, which is greater than equals to 61. Now it is minus 2, so we can subtract, we can add we can add 2 to both sides, adding 2 both sides. So 7x minus 2 plus 2, 61 plus 2, means 7x is greater than equals to 63. Now what we will do, we will divide by 7 both sides. Let me do it here. So it will become 7x upon 7 greater than equals to 63. So x is greater than or equals to 9. Okay, and we have to find the maximum length. Maximum length of shortest side. So it will be x is equals to 9, the maximum. Okay, sorry, not maximum, minimum, because x is greater than 9 से ज़्यादा तो कितनी भी हो सकती है ना, बट कम से कम 9 because it is less than equals to. So minimum length will be equals to. Okay, now let's solve the next question. 26th, in which a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a piece of board of length 91 centimeter. So length of board is given, length of board 91 centimeter. Okay, so the trick to solve the story problems based questions is just that write whatever is given in the question. Okay, so here in this question length is given 91 centimeter. The second length is to be 3 centimeters shortest, longer than the shortest side. So we will let the shortest side will be x. Let the shortest side is equals to x centimeter. Okay, so accordingly longest side will be, second length is to be 3 centimeter longer, means x plus 3, not longest side, this is the second side. Okay, second side is the 3 centimeter longer than the shortest side, so it will be x plus 3 centimeter. Now the third side is equals to the twice as the shortest side, so it will be twice. Shortest side is x, so it will be 2x. Now we have to calculate the shortest side. Okay, so length of board is 91 centimeter, means it does not exceed the value of 91 centimeter. Okay, means maximum it can be 91, so greater than, less than or equals to 91. Now their sum will be x plus 3 plus 2x. Okay, so accordingly it will be x 2x will be 4x plus 3 is less than equals to 91. Now we will subtract 3 from both sides. Okay, so it will be 4x plus 3 minus 3 और यहाँ पर 91 minus 3. So it will be 4x is less than equals to 88. Okay, now what we will do, we will divide 4 both sides, so it will be 88 divided by 4, means x can only be less than or equals to 22, means जो x की जो shortest length है it will never exceed the value 22, maximum value will be 22. Okay, now a condition is given that if third side is to be at least, not side, third piece. Okay, so we will put these value x in the given criterion. So the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter long than the second. Okay, so accordingly what we can write, we can write it as 2x is greater than or equals to, because the second length is 2x. Okay, third side is 2x. Now it will never exceed the value x plus 3 This is the length of second side if it is equals to 5. Okay, so question क्या कहता है, if the third piece, this is the third piece, is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the, at least means if we add the 5 to second side it will be either equals to 2x means the longest side, या उससे कम होगा, है ना. सेकेंड साइड में अगर हम 5 को ऐड कर दे या तो वो इक्वल हो जाएगा थर्ड साइड के या उससे कम होगा. ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल सॉल्व 2x इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू x plus 8. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract x from both sides, so it will give us 2x minus x greater than equals to x plus 8 minus x. So x and x gets cancel out. Here we have x is greater than or equals to 8. Okay, so these are the two conditions, that x is greater than or equals to 8 and x is less than equals to 22. Okay, means in this way we can write 8 is less than equals to x or x is less than equals to 22. So this is your solution. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the story based problems for the linear inequalities. In our later class we will study the next exercise.